everyone. Today we're gonna trek, right? With Charlie Chaplin. Hi guys! This is Eilish Fuentes, ang IT Pinay nyo sa Japan. Ngayong araw ay pupunta kami sa Atami at magte-trek doon. So from Atami Station, magte-take kami ng bus papuntang Jiukoku Toge Summit. And then from there, magte-take kami ng ropeway papuntang Himinosawa Park. Dun sa summit, makikita yung panorama terrace. From here, you can see that
It's cold up there.
yeah, I told you.
Kailangan nyo munang kumuha ng ticket, syempre, to ride the ropeway, cable car. So here, pag akyat nyo dito, makikita nyo yung 360 view panorama ng Tokyo, Kanagawa, Chiba, Shizuoka, Yamanashi, and Nagano prefectures. It's an observation deck na makikita nyo yung Mount Fuji, Suruga Bay, Izu Peninsula, and Sagami Bay.
Kawaii. What is this?
Easy. I don't know what that is. It's not a prefecture.
Yeah, I think so.
It's not a prefecture. No, there's no prefecture.
They said that you can see 3 cities up from above here.
Tokyo, Yokohama. Oh, Nagoya, probably.
Yeah.
Well, that's Nagoya.
Yeah, it's nice. The Mount Fuji.
独特だね。こうやって見るとさ、見るとね、改めてね、近くで見るとね、
そんな
あ、
感じ
こうなってるんだね。
ね
こうやって見るとさ、西伊豆が見えるわけじゃん、ずっと。でちょっとこっち向いると、もう東伊豆見えてくるね。
あれ大島
あれ大島に。
Ganda lang.
So, ililist ko nga pala kung paano pumunta dito sa baba sa description down below. Para try nyo rin makapunta dito pag may time kayo at makadalaw kayo dito sa Japan. Ganda ng Mount Fuji, di ba? Buti nagpakita siya sa amin.
Is this the start of the hike?
Yes, yes, kind of.
Why you're in the middle?
Why are you giving me that?
Yeah. Do you want to eat?
Huh? No, that's okay. If we're moving, we're moving. I'm not going to hold
Okay.
everyone up.
So from the top, mayroon kayong option to take the ropeway again going down or mag-hike na lang pababa ng trail. Siyempre, para may challenge naman, mas pinili namin mag-hike down the trail na lang. Even though may mga bears around. Kasi nababalita dito sa Japan na maraming bears. So
they're very
talagang
hungry, you know?
hesitant kami sumama dito
That's
sa
why.
hike na to. Pero
Run.
pinush pa rin namin. Para makalabas naman ng bahay, diba?
So you don't run.
Yeah, when I see it, it's like, ooh, that's train. The roads are on this one.
Kasi nababalita talaga na marami talagang bears pag-alagala at kumakain sila ng ng mga tao. Kasi nagugutuman na sila. Before sila mag-hibernate, kailangan nilang mag-hunt.
What is it?
What is what?
Pero luckily naman, wala naman kami na-encounter na bear. Nakaka-enjoy nga pala tong araw na to kasi ang ganda ng panahon. This hike took 1 hour going down, which is not really hard.
Yeah.
Medyo parang nag-overdress nga lang kami sa hike na to. Medyo uminit na kasi habang naglalakad kami. Nadala na kasi kami sa Mount Pulag eh. Yung pagdating niya sa tuktok, 0 degrees pala. Tapos nanginig na lang kami. Ang ganda-ganda talaga ng kulay ng autumn dito sa Japan. Hindi ko nga alam kung may iwan ko tong lugar na to dahil napakaganda talaga dito. Quality of living talaga dito sa Japan, napakaganda.
Show your mustache.
Explain ko nga pala yung mustache ni husband. Kaya siya may mustache kasi dahil Movember. Mo, as in mustache, and then November, pinagsama. Ginagawa nila yon for men's health awareness. Parang, ang katumbas nun for woman is yung pink ribbon or wearing pink things on Women's Health Awareness Month. Pero yung sa kanila, you need to wear mustache for the whole November. Yun lang, pero inaasar ko siya as Charlie Chaplin. So, pababa na nga pala kami nito, pabalik sa Atami Station. So, before kami bumalik sa Atami Station pala, dumaan muna kami sa Jinja, temple na malapit sa lugar na to.
Go on.
Second focus.
Yan, before pala kayo papasok sa Jinja, dapat hugasan nyo muna yung kamay nyo.
Toilet, I can see it.
Sabi nila napakatanda na nitong puno na ito, pero hindi ko kasi na tanong kung ganun siya katanda talaga.
Big tree.
Too much.
Too much? Too much what?
They're in too much.
Ah.
Ayan, so nandito pala kami sa hotel para mag-lunch before bumalik ng Atami Station. Ganda ng view, diba?
Hi, love. Where are you?
Yeah.
Here, where?
Right in front of you.
We're at Atami.
Oh, Atami Bay.
Yeah, the view is so nice. Look at this. Yes.
I think it will rain.
Yeah, I feel like.
Video. Very cloudy.
Yeah. Wow, look at them.
Yun lang, hanggang dito na lang ulit. Sa susunod. Thank you for watching. Bye! Like and subscribe for more Japan vlogs.